Assalamualaikum. This is Zarmeena from cubeonline.pk and today I'm going to be showing you our HUAWEI FreeBuds 4i, which are available for instant delivery on cubeonline.pk. Along with every order, you will be receiving a free Bluetooth speaker as well as a 3-month Huawei music subscription. Now I'm going to get to the unboxing. So the box features a USB-C cable charger and the FreeBuds that come in a very compact and sleek design. The FreeBuds have active noise cancellation and a 10-hour playback on a full charge. Also know that when you charge these FreeBuds for 10 minutes with a USB-C charger, you will be able to receive playback for 4 hours. They're available in 3 different colors on cubeonline.pk and priced at $16,500, and I believe this is a very good value for money compared to what other similar products are available in the market. Also, cubeonline.pk provides you with the best products under warranty. Thank you.